Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. We're gonna get some plugs installed on the Red Demon tonight, followed by some oil so we can get the oil pump primed up. The ladies aren't home right now, so I'm out here at the shop trying to get a little bit done. I can't stay out here too long tonight, but I want to get the plugs installed. I want to get the oil pump primed up, all that good stuff tonight. Got the power steering cooler installed, man. Got it back on the car. I had to end up dropping in the cooler, the pipe, and it went right through the core support like it's supposed to. Now right here I just took a 9/16 wrench and just slid up over them hard lines that come through there and bent them up, and then brought the power steering hoses right into it, tightened them up, and she's good. Plenty of clearance, guys. So that was a little job by itself, just doing that stuff right there. But I want to get the plugs in this thing, get the oil pump primed up, so we can at least get the distributor dropped in there, because that's one of the other pieces I need in the car in order to see how this thing right here is going to route up, man. That's the only line that I see anybody having issues with this turbo kit, putting that line back on. I think I may be able to go down in between there. That's one reason why I bought two pieces of this stuff here. This is an 1.25 inch DEI. I've already got a piece on the orifice tube ready to go. It's ready to put on the car. And this right here fit, you know, on the car, no issues, no clearance issues, nothing rubbing. So that one right there is fine. And the dryer, I had to figure something out right here, because it is rubbing just a little bit right here on that pipe. Get something figured out on that, and possibly get something ordered this week. I think DEI makes some stuff I should be able to wrap that up with. But yeah, man, that's what I want to do. I want to get the plugs in, oil pump primed up, get oil in there. Oil, nothing fancy, just some CarQuest full synthetic motor oil, 1030. I didn't really see no need of spending a lot of money on oil right now, because I don't really plan on running it long before I actually drain it out and put some good stuff like some Royal Purple or something like that in there. I do got the oil filter on, cleared everything, no problem. Yeah, I understand it's a small oil filter, but you know, I can change my oil a little sooner than normally do. Spark plugs, nothing fancy, but just a Motorcraft standard. I got them pre-gap to 31, I believe it was. I've been kind of talking a little bit back and forth with Cleaver, BMF. If you guys don't know who the man is, make sure you go by and check out his channel, man. He's got some good content. He does tuning on his videos. He does a little bit of everything. He's also got a couple videos he puts out, you know, kind of helping, giving back to the community, helping people work on their cars. So make sure you guys go check out his channel, man. Super cool dude. He's helped me out a lot on getting some of these pieces like the plugs, you know, what to gap them and all that good stuff. So I really appreciate him, you know, helping me out. I really do. I appreciate all you guys that help out, and I appreciate all you guys that stick around watching my videos and have followed me on this build so far. So, you know, enough of all the sentimental bull-ish. Let's get ready to get the plugs in the car. Like I said, the oil filter's already on. We'll get the plugs in there, and we'll get some oil in it and try to get this thing primed up. And I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is unhook it from here, right here where it feeds into the turbo, and put it in a can or something that would actually, or a bottle that will hold it in place, and spin that thing over and see if we get some oil prime coming up out of that right there. If we do, we'll hook that back up and we'll spin it again, try to get some oil circulating through that turbo a little bit. Maybe that'll help out. And we'll get the plugs, all that good stuff. Well, I think we're gonna go ahead and do the plugs first. I got some long sleeves because I did a little, you know, WTF, I guess is how they say it these days, on the pipe right here. I actually installed it. I should have put my plugs in first before I installed this, but I can reach right up in through here. I'm just gonna put some long sleeves on I got over there on the toolbox, just so I don't get a lot of insulation on me. At least it'll stick to the shirt. So we'll start with this side here first, of course. Just the easy side. we'll get the plugs in there. Like I said, I've already pre-got them. We'll get some anti-seize, just put just a little bit on threads, and get those in. We'll put some oil in it, try to get this thing primed up, and if we got enough of time, we'll drop the distributor in there, which is right there. We'll get it dropped into place for right now and get ready to figure out how we're going to route the wires. I got the cap and the wires in there. I got a new cap on this one already, so we're going to use that cap. Maybe, I don't know, might wind up putting the other one on. I think it was one of the red caps, some MSDs. I'm not sure. We'll see. But at least get that much more done. Still need to do some more wiring on the car and all that good stuff. Still need to get the TFI module wiring done. That's another reason why I want to get the distributor dropped into place. It ain't necessarily got to be set right now, but at least we'll get it kind of set into place, and I can go ahead and run the TFI module right here and figure out how we're going to route the wires and all that good stuff. But just got to stick around to the channel, guys. That'll be in another video. I got mosquitoes over here biting me. They still out. We're gonna have some beautiful weather, so I'm trying to take advantage of the weather right now, get some of this stuff done, and that's what we're gonna do right now, get some more stuff done. Now let's see if I can't get some plugs in this thing. Guys, now I've disconnected my line right here. I got it going into a bottle. I'm gonna grab my drill real quick, and then we're gonna spin this thing counterclockwise and see if we can't get some oil to come out right there. All right, I got it going counterclockwise. I'm gonna hold this right here just in case if it tries to come shooting out there, and let's see if we can't get some oil to come out. There we go. You see that, guys? So we got oil coming out, so that's good. So what I'm gonna do now is try to get all this hooked back up without making a big mess first of all. So let's get this right here hooked back up, and then we'll spin it around a little bit more to get a little bit of oil pushed through the turbo. Now it's got a prime tool off of eBay. Just went on and searched it, and I think I give like 16 bucks for it. So we'll always have one, and it wasn't that expensive. So all right. But as you see right there, guys, that's how much primed out of it. That bottle was empty, so that's how much I primed out of it. And like I said, we're gonna prime it just a little bit more. So that was easy enough right there, guys. We'll get ready to wrap this video up, man, and we'll get started on it again next time. All right, guys, as you see, we got the plugs installed. I'm just gonna leave the prime tool sitting in place right now. We'll drop the distributor in there later. Right now, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I need to go in the house. Like I said before, I'm going somewhere tomorrow, be in the next video. So make sure you keep an eye out for that one, guys. So continue watching the channel. We still got a lot left to do on the Red Demon. We got our oil pump primed up, plugs installed, getting that much closer. And yeah, man, we about ready to put this bad girl on the street, see what she can do. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Continue watching the channel. Make sure you keep an eye out for the next video. Give this one a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.